In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite external guests to a Microsoft Teams meeting. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open the Microsoft Teams application on your desktop and navigate to the Calendar tab on the left sidebar. This is where you'll schedule and manage meetings, so make sure you're in the desktop app rather than the web or mobile version for full control. Once the calendar is visible, click the New Meeting button to begin setting up your event details. That opens the meeting form where you'll enter everything attendees need. Next, enter a descriptive title for your meeting and select the correct date and time. Use a title that clearly reflects the subject so external guests immediately know the purpose. When choosing the time, keep time zones in mind. Add the time zone indicator if attendees are in different regions so there's no confusion. The date and time fields control when the invitation will be delivered and displayed on calendars. In the Invite Attendees field, type the full email address of the external guest. You must include the full address so Teams recognizes them as an external user and sends the invite outside your organization. Double-check the spelling and domain to avoid delivery errors. You can add multiple external addresses here just as you would internal ones. After the guest email is entered, click the Send button to deliver the meeting invitation to the external user. Sending the invite here creates the calendar event and notifies the guest by email. They will receive a link to join, and if they use a Teams account, it will link automatically. Otherwise, they can join via the browser. To adjust security, open the meeting from your dashboard and select the Meeting Options link. Wait a moment for the options page to load. Sometimes it takes a few seconds. These settings control how participants interact during the call. On the Meeting Options page, choose who can bypass the lobby and who is allowed to present during the call. For external guests, you might prefer that only invited users bypass the lobby and that presenters are restricted to internal staff depending on the meeting's nature. These choices help prevent uninvited users from entering and control who can share screen content or mute others. Click the Save button to apply your preferred security settings for the external guests. Finally, start your meeting at the scheduled time and manage the guests as they arrive in the virtual lobby, admitting them when you're ready. That's it. You've invited an external guest and set meeting protections appropriately.